Welcome to 3101 Plaza del Amo, Unit 54. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1186 square foot, built in 1986. It's an excellent opportunity to own your townhouse on Plaza del Amo. Come, have a look with me. This well-maintained unit offers a comfortable and functional layout, perfect for first-time buyers and downsizers alike. The living room features a coat closet and sliding glass doors that open to a private balcony, ideal for outdoor relaxation or entertaining. Adjacent to the living room, the dining area includes an additional closet that could be used as a pantry. The kitchen is well equipped with a gas range, microwave, dishwasher, refrigerator, garbage disposal, and a window above sink for natural light. A convenient powder room is located on the entry level. The attached 2-car garage with direct access includes a lit storage room and a generously sized laundry area. Upstairs, the spacious primary bedroom boasts dual-door entry, a walk-in closet, an additional wall closet, and an ensuite bathroom with dual sinks. The second bedroom includes its own private bathroom with a tub and glass enclosure. This well-kept home also features central AC for year-round comfort and has been fully repiped to prevent leaks, offering peace of mind and added value for years to come. Windsong's resort-like amenities include a swimming pool, spa, lush landscaping, and more. The complex is conveniently located across from the scenic Madrona Marsh Nature Preserve and just minutes from Wilson Park, markets, shopping, and dining. All of this is located within the boundaries of the award-winning Torrance Unified School District. If you would like more information about this property or to view it in person, or if you have any real estate related questions, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below. See you next time.